I'll try.
Named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks, Mako surfaces on June 10th right here at SeaWorld. Mako's one of the Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. A 200-foot tall hypercoaster with speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly a mile of steel track. Sounds amazing, right? And did you?
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we hope you have a whale of a day here at SeaWorld Orlando. We are the Cruise Chefs, and we got to get back to the kitchen. Thanks, guys.
I'm not going to do it.
Welcome and make some noise for your host of Mako Rising.
Hi, I'm Jasmine and I'll be your host for Mako Rising. All of us here at SeaWorld are so excited about our new ride, Mako. Have you guys heard of it? Woo! Really? The told you. I'm just kidding. I know, it's kind of hard to miss the huge coaster right outside the theater. Truth is, we're really proud of what's coming your way, and we couldn't hold back on sharing at least a little sneak peek.
With recorded swimming speeds of 21 miles per hour and bursts up to 50, shortfin Makos are faster than any other shark species. They need speed to hunt some of the fastest animals in the ocean, including swordfish, tuna, and even other sharks. Makos can swim incredible distances and have been seen leaping at least 20 feet in the air and found diving more than 2,400 feet below the surface. That's like diving the height of SeaWorld Sky Tower times 6.
So now you know a lot about the Mako. You know about its power, its speed, its agility, all of the things that inspired the actual ride. So are you guys ready for your very first CGI animated sneak peek at Mako? Yeah! Great, because whether you're a die-hard coaster fan or just someone who loves incredible thrills, Mako isn't just Orlando's newest coaster, it's the one that's going to have everyone talking. Let's take a look. Okay, that sure gives new meaning to the phrase staying on top. Don't worry, we'll show you what happens after the drop later. In the meantime, I'm told this ride is one for the record books. Here are the numbers. Mako is 200 feet tall, has almost a mile of track, and a top speed of 73 miles per hour. So when Mako opens on June 10th, it'll be Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest coaster. All of these record-breaking numbers earned the title of Orlando's very first hyper coaster. So you can imagine the people building this ride were pretty excited along the way. Let's take a look as they reach one of their most important milestones.
Hi, I'm Sunny, SeaWorld Orlando's videographer, and right now I'm at the construction site for our new roller coaster, Mako. Now I've had the fun job of capturing all the behind-the-scenes stuff, but today you're going to come with me for a never-before-seen look. As you can see, it's really busy here, and that's because Mako is about to be reaching its highest point of 200 feet. And to see exactly what that looks like, I attached our Mako cam to the crane that's going to be lifting that 30,000-pound piece of track. Mako will be reshaping the city skyline, and it's surfacing this summer, so stay connected for more information.
Thanks, Sunny. And if you go to SeaWorld's Facebook page, you'll find even more great videos that show Mako taking shape. But now, on to another matter. Relentless airtime. When the engineers describe Mako, they keep using the phrase airtime, which got me thinking, what is airtime? Well, I think I have an idea, but why don't we take it straight to the experts? Here's SeaWorld's very own design guru, Mike Denninger, to give us the scoop.
Hey everybody, I'm happy to give you a quick definition of airtime. Here's how to look at it. You already know about Mako's speed and height. Well, add in the physics that come from some really quick twists and turns and drops and hills, and you come up with the formula for airtime. It's our way of describing those exhilarating moments of acceleration when you feel nearly weightless, just like you're floating in your seat. And this is where Mako over-delivers with over 10 unique moments of airtime. I can guarantee you'll definitely enjoy all the thrills that Mako implies. And now, here's my colleague Brian Morrow with an even deeper look at Mako.
Hey, thanks Mike, and hi all you coaster fans. Welcome to the maintenance bay of Mako. Now you just heard about the cool designs of this amazing animal. Well, we take that information and we actually create our attractions based on it. How does that all work? Well, I sit with the storytellers of the zoological team right here at SeaWorld Orlando, and they share with me the speed, the agility, and the hydrodynamic design of this amazing animal, which all creates this ride. So that way, when you're here experiencing Mako, all the thrills of it, they came directly from nature and the shark itself. And that's not all. We're building a whole new realm. It's called Shark Reef, and here you're going to learn about all the sharks of the ocean, the dangers they face, and how you can make a difference for sharks in your simple, everyday actions at home. And hey, I got a secret to tell you. We're building a giant shipwreck, and it's huge. And this Mako, it's going to swim right through the center of it. It's going to be a finale like none other, and a near miss that you're going to want to experience right here at Mako. See you soon.
Alright, well that just about wraps up our show for today, but we couldn't possibly let you go without giving you one final sneak peek at a CGI animated version of the coaster. Are you guys ready to see it? Yeah! Come on, I said, are you ready? Yeah! Alright, buckle up, please, because here we go. What it'll be like to experience it in person. Imagine all the twists, the turns, the speed, the air time. Then imagine a full-grown adult screaming like a very small child. That'll be me. Y'all were such a lovely audience today. Give yourselves a round of applause. And don't forget that we have some special in-park offers on the way out. It's just our way of saying, on behalf of SeaWorld, thank you for being a part of Mako Rising. And we'll see you all next time. 200 feet in the air.